Hi, it's me. Hello, I'm a pot and I'm alive. Hi! Oh, finally it's so hot, so I can pot this pot, and today I dropped this on the floor and broke it. But hey, I will do it anyway. So I have lots of plants. Some I've bought, some I have tiny seedlings. So I will use all of them. And this is some special nice thingy I got. So, and isn't it gorgeous? Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I've been thinking is that I will fill half of this bigger pot with some bark, because succulents don't need so much soil anyway. So I will fill it in. So it will be nice and airy. Yeah, I think this will be quite fine. I needed my tools. I got from Ruthie's Succulents Obsession. I will link her video right here, so you can check her out. Also, I will be planting loads of plants from Olga's Dreamland. I'm trying to figure it out. What should I do next? Oh, I need this filter thing. I'm always so well prepared when I do a video. So, coffee filter. Just rip it apart, and you see it match perfectly. And that will prevent the soil from seeping out directly out. That's perfect. I like that. See? Perfect. So this will be my false bottom. And it's perfect because nothing will be sitting in a wet seat. And now I will have my soil mix, which is pumice, cat sand, non-clumping cat sand, and a little bit of old soil from something. Just put it in, and some stones. So it's very airy soil, which I think it's good. So let me see. Now I will put one pot in, so I will know how to and where to put things. So I've been thinking that I will put some tall plants here, because I have another pot over here. And where did I put these plants though? Oh, there. I think these are some crassula type of string of buttons or something. Will be on the back and giving a nice This one is Crassula Lycopodus watch chain. So this one will be on this side. So I was thinking, take a sip of coffee, and since I have Crustless over there, what to do? Maybe I will take this Echeveria, it's reddish one. I will give you a tour of all of these pens later. What do we have here? Good. Take the dead leaves and such out. So, and this one will be on the side. Here together with another one. Yes. So put this baby in. I need something more precise. So let me see here on the front. So let me see, a smaller shovel, because I want to have something dripping from this side too, and this will be perfect, I think. And I want to have this moonstone on the side here too. Oh, I don't know, you cannot touch these things. These are so sensitive, and we'll already got some stains. What was that? Crustula. Oh, this one is this one. Okay. So let me yeah, oh, I broke it. You know, but this will work, I'm sure. I stopped talking, that means I'm concentrated. So I think this would be good. So for now, oh, I cannot even show you yet. And here I want to have some, let me see, maybe this beauty over here. I have no idea, but they ordered from Denmark. Anyway, so I'm thinking here something like this, but then I need something here, a filler, a beautiful filler. Maybe we're gonna have this from Olga, these beauties. Ooh, they have new roots. Yes, yes. If you like roots, look. Airy, beautiful roots. You maybe wanna see that. I don't remember the name for right now, but feel free to fill it in. Always so perfect. So these have some roots already. Take that more and just shove it in. I found 2 decorative stones. I will use it. And maybe some bark, because I want to put this under. Oh. I forgot that this is going here, but that's okay, because we can just keep pushing some bark over there. A little bit of substrate. I missed that completely. Okay, now it should be perfect. Okay. Some substrate. And now, question is, what should I put here? I want to put just this kind of babies. Well, why not? Oh, this one is a bummer. Oh. Let's try. I think we can take another piece from my lovely dear sister Olga, and and put it over there. The thought is that this hanging will hang over here. This will be up a little bit, and I can trim it and hold it here. But maybe we can have this hanging here. Yeah, we can. That can be amazing. Maybe too much. So this is good. Okay. I can live with that. It's important. So okay, I can have this here. Now, no, not now, not yet. I have on top, and now it's the time. So guys, here it is. Lola. This is the other one. Giveria. Coloristic purple with purple, or pink with purple. Third. I think this is gonna be amazing. Loads of Achiverias and Crossolas together. I don't know how to turn this with one hand. Focus.